Organize my leftover fabrics with me. I have so many fabrics that I need to organize, and they're just in that corner back there. And I need to figure out how I want to organize them. Right now, what I do have is this. I just don't like it. It doesn't fit too many of my fabrics. All right, so after searching all the dollar stores around my area, I finally found them, and this is what I am going to do. This is 10 by 7.5. So 7.5 on the top, half in the bottom. Just connect them. The same thing for the whole board. Do 10 inches, 10 inches. X-Acto knife, you're gonna just cut them and cut it. Alright, so I'm going to start organizing them. Figure out what pin to use for these. Oh, well, maybe I can use these. I think I have enough. They're kind of small, so I also have these. I think I could use these for the bigger ones. Okay, yeah, like that, I guess. That works for now.